Hey guys, so this is part 2 of the listing video. So welcome back. Just to remind you, if you have not watched the unboxing of part 2's Honcho Wholesale unboxing, stop this video, go back, watch that unboxing. I'm going to have all that information down below so that you can get caught up, so that when I show you the pieces and do all that, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this one was a woman's plus size apparel box, mainly summer and spring, and I am all in at $191, which makes each piece around $7.50 a pop. Okay, now put this to the side. Let's get to it. I got my phone. Now, I was having some technical difficulties with my scanner and my phone and the Amazon seller app. So I'm just going to kill all that and just go straight to the seller app on my phone and just scan it, and we'll go from there. Okay, now off the top is that pretty blouse that I like. Okay, and this was New York collection. Let's see if it's on here. And no, it is not on there. Next one is the shorts by Dollhouse. Okay. There it is. And that one's not on there. Not also a good start here. Okay, so this is another, I think, New York collection dress. Uh-oh, I got it upside down. Hold on. Upside down. Go. Boom. It's a wrap dress. And that one's not on there either. So this is by Style & Co. This is that maxi t-shirt dress. That long black t-shirt dress. But it's a maxi dress. So it would be perfect as a swimsuit cover or something that you throw on just to go to the store or just to go hang out with some pals. Okay, Eureka. It is up here, but there's no rank. But, okay, so here's the flip. There are also no fees or anything associated with it. So I am going to take a shot and list it. And the reason why I'm going to do this, because when there are no fees and information listed with it, that could mean that it's a very new listing. Someone probably just created that listing and it just went live and they haven't sold the item yet, therefore the fees and everything haven't been populated yet. I'm not going to scan the pants, the adjustable waist pants, okay, because I already have them listed on my eBay store. So these are just going to go straight to eBay. Okay, so this is on there. And guess what? It is a dress. I thought that I said it could be worn as a dress or a tunic if you wanted to be fancy with it. Okay, and it has no rank, but again, it doesn't have any other information. So that leads me to believe that this is a new listing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and list it. Now, I know the other one wasn't on there, but let's see. Maybe because of the size, because that one was a 4X. So let's see if the 2X is up here. Nope, it's not. Next is the blue and white striped shirt with the big stone kind of rock color buttons. I forget what kind of buttons they're called. They're a particular type of button. By New York Collection. Okay. Now this one's on there, but there is no rank. So when I see it like this, that means that it's sold there because there are no other sellers on it, but there's no rank. Therefore, maybe it didn't sell. I don't know, but it's not enough information on there for me to run the risk. I don't know. These are those pants that I like. This and oh, good. These are on there, and they are going for $19.98. These are the straight leg Style & Co jeans. Okay, these are on there, but they don't have any selling information, so eBay you go. The chino shorts. Okay, these are on there. They have a good rank, and they are going for $19.95. This is the Alfani top. And okay, that one's not on there. This is the Alfani maxi dress. Alright, okay. Okay, so that one's on there, and it's going for $21.98. Style & Co shorts with the braided belt. These are in blue, and they're cargo shorts. These are on there, and the rank is amazing. Okay. They're actually on there for merchant fulfilled, but after fees, that really will put me upside down. So I'm actually going to increase my price a little bit. The merchant fulfilled was $13. Some people charge lower when they're seller fulfilling an item because they're going to charge shipping. But since mine is getting sent into the warehouse, I get to increase mine a little bit because the buyers will end up with free shipping anyway. So I changed mine to $19.99 so that I won't be upside down on the item. All right. This is New York. Yeah, this is New York or NY collection. I've been calling this thing New York. I mean, usually when you see NY, you think New York, right? This is NY collection. NY. Okay. All right. Okay, and it is on there, and it is going for $17.97. Okay, these are not on there. This is the tiger print dress. The Tiger Print Maxi is on there. It's going for $22.98. This is another pair of the pants. Alright, this is a pair of black shorts with the braided belt. Okay, these are on there. And again, I'm going to make my price $19.99. This is the Michael Kors dress. I'm not going to even scan that because I already know I'm gated. These are the Alfani capris. With the magnet, have to remember to take that off. Okay, so these are on there and they're going for $18.23. Okay, so here's the other Pan Am top. I have to scan it because I'm not exactly sure if the other one was the same size as this one. Okay, it was. So that one's up there for $15.98. Okay, and these are the white slim leg pants by Alfani. Okay, these are on there and they're going for $19.17. Let me calculate the others and I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back with my profit numbers. Okay, so on Amazon, it looks like after everything's tallied up, it's going to be an overall profit of $129. On eBay, I had a little bit better luck than I had with the last box, and we're looking at $117 on the eBay side. So add those together and subtract what I paid for the box, and we're looking at an overall profit of $55. Now, some of the items I did have to put to the side because of the fact that they're not on the eBay platform and they're not on the Amazon platform. So I'm going to have to figure out what to do with those. I think I'm going to check other platforms to see if they're on there, such as Poshmark or Mercari, see if I can get them to go on there. I haven't had a lot of luck with Poshmark lately, which is ironic to me because when I first started reselling, I was selling on Poshmark before anything. Matter of fact, my very first sale was on Poshmark. So, I haven't had much luck with there lately. So, I don't know. I'll find something to do with them. No, I won't wear them. It will be financially beneficial. Promise. So, that is it for this video. I'm going to shoot the last listing video right now. So stay tuned to that one and I will catch you in the next one.